Hey, thanks for your interest in the safety features of the 2018 Chevrolet model line. I didn't know if you know this or not, Chevrolet actually has more 5-star crash test safety rated models than any other manufacturer. We're really excited about some of the safety features available in 2018 Chevrolets. First of all is forward collision alert. What this does for you is actually alert you at 3 different distances whether someone has stopped suddenly in front of you. There's either far, medium, or close, and it's super simple to toggle between all 3 with the hands-free control right here on the steering wheel. I push once and the distance is set at a far distance. I press the button again and it goes to medium. I push the button a 3rd time and it goes to a short distance. The nice thing about the safety alerts in the new 2018 Chevrolets is you have your choice between 2. First is an audible alert that you can hear. The second is called a safety seat. It's actually called haptic feedback, and they're vibrating strips built into the driver's seat. And it's going to alert you when there's a safety hazard that the vehicle perceives for you. The second safety feature we're really excited about is lane departure warning. It's super simple. There's actually a specific button for it. I press the button once and it's turned off. I press it again and it's turned on. That's the feature. The advantage and benefit to you is that it's going to alert you at speeds over 25 miles an hour whether you've crossed the yellow line on the left or the white line on the right without using your turn signal. And again, you can toggle between either the audible alert that you can hear or the safety alert seat option, which will vibrate your seat. The other options that we're really excited about are found in the settings menu on the fully functional touchscreen. That's where you can toggle between the 2 types of alert, whether it's the audible alert that you can hear or the safety alert seat, that haptic feedback that's built into the driver's seat. That enables you to customize it, whichever one that you prefer. The other nice thing you can do in the settings menu for the collision detection system is turn on the forward collision system itself. You can turn it off, you can turn it on with simply an alert, or you can turn it on with the alert and forward low speed braking. What that will do is actually slow the vehicle at low speeds and alert you when it senses that there's some inanimate object in front of you. The other thing that you can do in the collision detection system menu is you can actually change the park assist. You can turn it on, you can turn it off, or a lot of my customers have tow bars on the rears of their vehicles. We don't want that to interfere with what the rear view camera is seeing. So you can actually select a setting that enables you to have the alert on and still notify the vehicle that, hey, I have my tow bar attached. The other safety feature that's probably the most popular with all of my customers is the backup camera. Chevrolet now, at least on its trucks, has standard backup cameras on every single model line of its trucks. Most of its vehicles have it as well. It's super simple. All you have to do is depress the brake, put the vehicle in reverse, and the backup camera comes on. The thing that I love about the backup camera in the 2018 Chevrolet is as I turn my steering wheel, that backup tracking line actually moves in the direction that my vehicle would travel if I was in reverse. A lot of my customers love that because if they're backing into a parking spot at the mall or at the grocery store, they can do so safely because those tracking lines are showing you exactly where your vehicle is going to go in reverse. So thanks again for your interest in the safety features on the 2018 model line of Chevrolets. We're super excited about it. You can click on any of the links if you're interested in a different topic for the 2018 model line. In addition, you can call us here at Edwards Chevrolet Cadillac, 712-366-2541. 712-366-2541. Again, my name's Lenny. Any of us here at Edwards would be glad to help you. Thanks for your time and have a great day.